Follow and subscribe Stenolab India for correct pronunciation, accurate speed and clear voice. Pitman Shorthand Instructor Book Dictation. Exercise number 117A. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Please send a messenger to the passenger office and ask if there is any danger of the train being late at Macclesfield. The present emergency has arisen through the death of the man in charge of the post office and the abandonment of the stranger's claim might bring about the very contingency we are striving to avoid. We had the same emergency on the appointment of the postmaster 3 years ago, and the entertainment then arranged had to be abandoned because it was felt that it would be dangerous to proceed. The abandonment caused disappointment, of course, but contentment followed. Enlightenment as to the cause and eventually the attainment of the original object was secured. Stop. Thank you.